plan is today get some scooters from behind here and head up towards the airport and go to a place called Soi Dog and help out with some volunteering. Got our scooters, let's do it! So we made it scooted from Phuket town and we're here now with the older dogs hanging out. This place takes in street dogs and gives them a nice life. You can see we're with the older dogs here. Little puppy, hello little puppy. Hello there. Just been on a bit of a tour and they adopt dogs. People pick them from overseas and they send them international, which was quite surprising. Now I'm going to go get some lunch and then we're going to go hang out with all the other ones and hopefully take them for some walks. Now in the puppy enclosure, check out these little two. Don't want to come out of the pipes. Hello. Hey. Hey. This little three-legged one's really cool. So that was sweet, hanging out with the puppies. Now we are walking the dogs around the pond. That's what the volunteers do, so pretty sweet job if you ask me. This is Thunder. It's got a home in the UK that it's going to soon. It's awesome to see they're going all over the world. Thunder and I did 4 laps and then took some of the other dogs out as well. If anyone's looking to adopt a dog, check out their website. I'll put in the link in the description below. And yeah, consider it, even from anywhere in the world.